Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have instant noodles from Thailand. Let's take a closer look at the packaging. Now I don't even know what brand or what flavor this is because it's all in Thai. But from the looks of it, it has some kind of meat. It's either octopus or maybe pork. Either way, it looks a little bit disgusting like. What meat is this? Super weird. It's only Thai, no English. Let's see on the back. Okay, so here we have something. It's Mama Noodles. I haven't seen this before in the shop, very famous brand. And this one is Tom Saab flavor. What is Tom Saab? I don't know. Saab is a Swedish car, but I don't know. Tom Saab. We're gonna find out. Wow, check out these ingredients. Look how many E's. There's 11 E's in here. And the only natural flavor I can find is chili and dried spring onion and soy sauce. So this is gonna be extremely artificial noodles. Yeah, protein 1.4 per 100, so I guess they calculate with the water, but in Korean noodles it's about 10 grams per 100, so they have more nutrients. Let's open it and see how it looks inside. Right. It's a square shape. Some seasoning on the ramen as well already. And we have chili pack, powders, and some oil here as well. That's good. Ooh. Look how much crumbles. Either it's not good build quality or it got damaged on the way here in the shop or in the transit. I don't know. But anyway, let's go ahead and cook it up. 300 ml of water for 3 minutes. Let's go. And it's set to cover it up, but I don't have any covers, so I will just use this plate. Finnish Arabia plate, good quality. Maybe this way. No, this way. Very good. I almost forgot we have to put this flavor as well, so... It's hot. The plate is hot. Be careful. Okay. Protection. Good. Ooh, look at the noodles. The color is different from the Korean noodles. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Chili. That's good. And then this other spice. Ooh. This is like the MSGs, I think. Flavor enhancer. And of course the oil. I think this is just palm oil. That's what they use these cheap ass noodles. Now look at the color. Some white random oil. What is it? Okay, it's been about 3 minutes now. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, look at this. The noodles are very thin. Much thinner than the Korean noodles. Did I put too much water? I don't know. Let's try to pour it in without making any mess. This is the hardest part of the video, okay? Perfect. But look how much water there is compared to the noodles, like. It's like a soup. This is a soup. I was taking a thumbnail picture and I noticed something really funny. So this is the packaging picture. As you can see, it's like really red here. Red with yellow noodles. And this is the actual product, like. It's just yellow, like. There's a couple of red dots here. That is the chili. But here in the packaging, it's like fully red. They really use a lot of saturation, the color saturation in the Photoshop editing, like. But I guess this is just the serving success thing, so they can get away with this easy mode. And where's all the vegetables? I don't see any. It's just bland noodles. Ooh, there is one green vegetable. Oh, nice, I found it. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Mama Tom Saab noodles from Thailand taste any good. Look at that, look at that. The smell is really nothing. It doesn't smell like anything. That's weird. Let's take a sample of this soup first. The soup looks like just dirty water, like the laundry water. There's like nothing in it. A couple of red dots, I guess it's a chili, and some oil, and it's like slightly yellowish. Let's sample this. Ooh, ooh. It's actually kind of spicy. How is that possible? I can taste lime for some reason. Is there a lime here? There is a lime here! Oh, unbelievable. So already the soup, better than expected. But how are the noodles? I'm really excited now, really excited. I thought this would be like really crap, but the soup surprised me. Let's see the noodles. It's really slimy noodles. Easy to chew, very soft. I think this is heavily processed noodles because it's like melting in your mouth. For some reason, the lime is really strong here. But when I look at the ingredients, I don't see any lime here. There's only E's. E621 and like E150A, E160C. There's more artificial things here than actual real flavors. It's really fast to eat because it just melts in your mouth. Like if you are in a hurry, just cook yourself some mama noodles and you will be eating it in no time. It's really weird because where is the meat? Is it actually supposed to have any meat? I don't know. Tom Saab. What is Tom Saab? Usually it's like when you eat more, the taste gets better. But here it seems like the more I eat, the taste gets more yuck. A little bit yuck. Have you guys ever like experienced that? Like first it's super good, but then it becomes yuck. I think it only happens with like unhealthy food, like sugary or fat food. And this is definitely not so healthy food, like instant noodles. Lots of salt, lot of like E's, artificial flavors. They have the palm oil, not good. Sugar, salt, flavor enhancers, anti-caking agent. What the hell is that? Anti-caking agent. It's like anti-cake. You're not gonna cake here, the cake, okay? No cakes here. Let's take some of the soup again. For some reason, the soup is super spicy. But when you eat just the noodles, it's not spicy at all. I think it's because this noodle is so thin. It doesn't absorb any of the spice flavor. So you have to do like the Asians do. They usually like eat like this. They have a spoon and chopsticks. Then they take like... And now it tastes better. I can taste the spice and also the noodles. But Korean noodle is different because it's not so watery. Korean noodles, they like... It's like more... How do you say? Thick thick sauce, very thick sauce. It's so weird, like the soup is better than the actual noodles. Like when I drink the soup, it's spicy. It's like flavor lime, but just the noodles, not good. Have you guys tasted these more noodles before? Like I think this in every country. It's the most cheapest noodle you can find on the market, and I can taste it here. Like it's just industrial artificial flavors. Korean noodles, much better. The noodles are much thicker and have more nutrients and more flavor. But then again, this one cheaper. So you can choose. Do you want to have Thai noodles cheaper or invest more for spicier, tastier, more nutrient amount of food? I will choose the Korean noodles. I will not definitely buy this again, but if we make a rating of this one, we cannot give it like the worst rating because it's actually, the soup is spicy, so that's good. But the ease, 11 ease here, artificial flavors, like I said, only 3 real ingredients, that is chili, dried spring onion, and what was the third one? Soy sauce. Everything else is something extra, like artificial. So what can we give this? Maybe like 7 out of 10. It's not the worst cheap noodle I tasted. Like I have tasted even worse. Like there's like 30-cent noodles. This is like 70-cent noodle, so it's really cheap. But there is on the market 30-cent noodles. Can you believe that? Those are like industrial waste. It's industrial waste. Like it's not edible for humans. This is on the border that is edible or not. It is somewhat eatable. But yeah, have you guys tasted it before and did you like it or not? Leave a comment below because I really want to know. I'm gonna give this 7 out of 10. It's good if you're hungry and it's cheap and it's fast, so that's bonus points. But minus points for too many artificial flavors, like I said. Minus points for scam packaging. They make it believe it's like this, but it's not like this. Yeah. First time on this channel, Thailand noodles. I will stick to Korean ramen to be honest, like Korean ramen, much better. But yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the future reviews. Thanks for watching. By the way, do you like my eating stand? Laptop on top of coffee packets. This is how the pros are making food reviews. You have to have a laptop here, okay? I'm like Nicky Avocado, or whoever is that fat guy, Nicky Avocado. So he's using this kind of stand. I'm using it now too. But I don't have money to buy the real stand, so I have to use this laptop. So subscribe so I can buy the real one. Thanks for watching.